open it. You like the
Oh, you're opening a knot first. Can I have you open? I can do it.
Oh, what's that?
Open it.
Or your pocket. You putting it in your
No, I'm putting it right here because I know where it's going to go.
pocket.
What is it, Connor?
It's these little thingies.
Wow!
Wow, neato.
Wow, it's like a what's it? It's a cyclone.
Hex bug.
Hex bug. Yeah. I saw that. Whoa! It's motorized, huh? Hey, Connor, don't push Emo. Connor. No pushing, okay? No push.
So, that's another one from us.
No, that's not from us. No, that's not from us. That's from
Where's the other one?
they're at home. This is his early birthday, so he's going to get part of his presents today.
Are we going to be trying to read this?
This
I can
says,
read it.
I know.
"Dear Connor, happy birthday. You are very special. I love you. Enjoy your present. Love, Cuckoo." This is San Francisco
No, I don't
Cuckoo.
want Ellie to get the scissors. Ellie, did you see balloons? Balloons there.
Wow, look at the
Okay.
twisties in the middle.
You need to really stay in. What?
Hot.
You're hot.
What's that? Oh, that.
It's a game. It's called Fast Track.
Wow!
I'll show you guys how to play.
Can we play it?
After you guys open
Oh,
up.
I know how to play.
Whoa, it's
I
a
know how to
game
play.
called Connor. That game's called
But
Fast Track.
I'm not good at it.
Connor, that was from
It's very
Cuckoo.
hard.
Connor.
Doing this, okay, and then I said, Ellie, should
It's
I-
from
Thank you,
Cuckoo.
Cuckoo.
Wait, can you take a picture of me and Connor?
Oh.
Yeah. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna